my sweet friends. Thanks for joining me on today's video. Today's video is going to start out with a Amazon package opening. And then I'm going to go down and finish up some of my tasks in the basement that I have been doing. So let's get it all done. This is an open collaboration hosted by myself. My name is Sherry, and welcome. If you haven't subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe and be a part of this community. We just do a lot of hauls and cleaning, organization, declutter. I throw in a little bit of faith, share that a little bit, especially on shorts, and a lot of homemaking type things. So if that's your jam, make sure you're subscribed. And let's get on to today's video. Oh, and there will be a playlist, so make sure you watch the other ladies in the playlist for some motivational content. I actually have been waiting for this so that I can finish the tasks at hand. I am remodeling my basement and redecorating. We did a lot of painting and still got a lot of finishing up to do, but this will be part 2 of the basement redo, I guess, redecorate. So I had already purchased these beforehand, but I didn't want to commit to purchasing another set until I knew for sure that I liked them, and I love them. So check these out. They are so gorgeous. Little butterfly right there. Isn't that pretty? But they're kind of semi-sheer, and these are going to go down in my salon area. So come along, I'll show you where I'm going to be putting those. And the ones that are already up are beautiful. And also, I was needing a really pretty curtain rod for my white curtains down there. So let me see. This will be great. Perfect. These are really similar to my other one I purchased, just a little bit longer. They're gold. And yeah, that's going to be awesome. I'm very happy with that. And then my third item is just my natural. I take the melatonin 5 milligrams at night to help me sleep. These are amazing. I sleep so good and so sound when I take these. So I also take magnesium. In fact, I could probably link those as well. But I'll try to link everything that I show you from Amazon down in the description box. So yeah, very happy with that. That's my refill. I buy those all the time. So let's get started and let's go downstairs and get some work done. All right, we're downstairs and I'll kind of show you what we finished. Dawn actually finished the painting in the gym area and I am in love with it. I'm gonna get some really pretty artwork for that wall, and we'll probably do our flooring next, which I have picked out. That's coming soon. He wants to get a TV for in here so that we can do our workouts from watching the TV. And yeah, this will be really cute in here. But anyways, here is where I keep I just do a curtain. Eventually I may do a barn door, but I'm not positive if we will. So for now, I'm just gonna put my curtain back up, and it's just a white curtain. And the gold curtain rod will go here. This is my curtain that I purchased, and I just love it. It goes with my paint so well. And I pretty much have finished the whole salon area in painting. I still have this corner to do over here and my entryway, but I am in love how this is turning out. Just so cute. So I probably will get a hamper for my towels for over there. I might move my color cart somewhere else, but I'm not positive. But anyways, some cute artwork on the wall, or maybe a mirror over there, I thought. And over here is all done. Got my clock up. Let me put this back for now. My little waiting chair. And yeah, this is all ready to go. Pretty much this whole half of the salon. I got my shelf painted for product. That's all ready to go. And I am working on my desk. So I've been kind of over here painting my drawers. So I'll probably work on that a little bit later. But for now, my goal is to put up this curtain, which matches that curtain, and then my white curtain. And yeah, that'll be all ready to go then. This is gonna be my entryway to my bedroom / craft room. And I'm gonna put a curtain here. I'm gonna put that pretty beaded curtain stuff, you know, where you walk through the beads. I found some really pretty green ones I want to get. So anyway, stay tuned and I will show you what this looks like and show you the results. And then I'm getting it all done, guys. I am getting all done. At least half of the salon will be ready for clients. So stay tuned. I'm gonna put on some music for myself. I found an amazing Christian station that I am loving. It's called The Bridge. So I am gonna put you on mute and listen to some great music.
If I go up to the heavens, if I go down to the grave, even there your hand will guide me, your right hand will hold me. I will trust you, Lord. Even when the storms are raging, I will love you, Lord. Even when this heart is breaking, if I ride the wings of morning, if I dwell by the farthest sea, even there your hand will guide me and your strength sustain me. I will trust and I will love you, Lord. I will trust you, Lord. Even when the storms are raging, I will love you, Lord. Even when this heart is breaking through, I'm never alone. Your faithfulness endures forevermore. I'm never alone. Your faithfulness endures forevermore. I'm never alone. I'm never alone. I'm never
Very pretty, and I can't believe they went up so smoothly. Usually I struggle with curtains, but I'm loving the curtain rod, and I'm just, yeah, I'm very pleased with that. And that way, when we want to use our gym, we can just kind of, you know, open the curtains. So my next project is I'm going to be putting my green shears up, you know, the other ones that I purchased. I do have to do a little bit of sanding there and painting, but I'm going to go ahead and at least get my curtains where they're going to go and get that all done. All right, friends, here's the end result. I got it all done. There are some finishing touches, but at least I got my curtains hung on both sides. I'm in love with it. I am gonna do like some decor touches, like a pretty little plant over there, maybe a gold round mirror over there, and a little something here. But this is my end result. It looks amazing and so clean that, man, I'm gonna love working down here. But anyway, that's what I got done, and I'm feeling very accomplished. I cleaned up my desk. I still have painting to do on my desk, but we'll finish that this weekend. And got some of my artwork hung up there. I will have decor here too on this wall. But yeah, pretty darn pleased, I have to say, with the end result. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on today's Let's Get It All Done. Make sure you check out the playlist and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.